AWD. Spotless one owner. What a price for an 11. Set down the mouse because this wonderful 2011 Chevrolet Equinox is the one-owner SUV you've been yearning to find. Designated by Consumer Guide as a recommended mid-size SUV in 2011. It is nicely equipped with features such as AWD. Having had only one previous owner means that this outstanding Equinox is sure to be a favorite among our more educated buyers. New Car Test Drive called it. Sized like a mid-size and priced like a compact, Equinox offers useful interior space for people and cargo, as well as class-leading fuel economy. It looks good, has a smooth, comfortable ride, and now handles much better than its predecessor. Call one of our sales consultants to schedule your test drive for this vehicle. We are located 12 miles from Bradley International Airport, BDL. Fly in and we will pick you up.